Hello there people of the world, iKiWY here, and today I have an unboxing of Wii. Not Wii U, just Wii. I want to make this unboxing because it's like new, it's covered and everything, and I say, well, why not make another unboxing? So yeah, let's get right into it. So first, this is the front side. You can see the Wii remote and the Wii. It comes in with Wii Sport. Okay, on this side we can see the Wii logo. Here are some info and everything. Another Wii logo and other stuff. So yeah, let's take it over and just a Wii logo. So yeah, let's unbox it. So you can see it comes in with two stages. Number one, which comes in with the joystick, what's it called, where you put the Wii in, the sensor and the cables, and there is the part 2 where it comes with Wii remote and the charging cable. So yeah, let's get this out. I'm using only one hand because I don't have the equipment for my camera. Okay, so here's the stage 1. Let me just take this out. So yeah, this is for the Wii. You put it in, and this is so it can you can put it up, so like this, that it stands better. So use a manual and everything. Then we can see here the joystick with one joystick and two buttons. For the sensor, you can tape it to your TV. What are those? The components cables connect this to Wii and this to TV. If you have the AV, you use this, and here is let me just take this out. Here is the sensor bar for the Wii. Okay, this looks like it's everything from the first box. Let's move to the second box. Okay, so yeah, let's first get the charging. It's really big in comparison to Xbox One, but it looks nice. It's a solid brick with everything. So yeah, and this is the European version. You can see. Now we go to Wii remote. I put the gum. Yes, it has batteries in it. So yeah, here this is, and this is the Wii itself. So yeah, just let me take it out. Here we go. With this, and give me a second. It's really hard to put everything out with a single hand. Like this. Okay. So yeah, let's take a quick look at it. Put it like this. So this is the on button, the reset button. Under here is the scan button for the Wii remote, the SD card, and the eject. On this side is nothing. Here is for the controls of Nintendo Cube and the memory card. You have it like this under. So on this side, nothing. You can put it like that if you want to. On the back, you can see two USB ports, the fan, and what's this, sensor bar. For the TV, and the power. So yeah, it's pretty small actually. This is my hand, like this. Okay, so I will set it up now, and we can try the volume test. See ya. So yeah, for this, you put this upside down. Then for the stability, you get it like that, stuck on it, and then you put the Wii like this, so it looks a little bit better and it's more stable. So yeah, just a quick tip so you can see. Oh yeah, I'm back. I set it up. So here's a little bit of a mess. This is the sensor. Plug in the TV and the power. I put the sensor up here on my TV. And yeah, let's test how quiet it is. Yeah, I have the app for the decibels up here. I put it behind like this, and yeah, let's begin. Hopefully you'll see how much is it. Okay, I will turn it on. Okay, so it's really quiet actually. Only the beginning it's around 60-65, but now it's around 50. So yeah, I will put the Lost in the Blue disc in, and I will put it in, we'll check how much it is, and then I will start the game. So yeah, let's begin. Dismiss that. And okay. Okay, so the game is in and it's around 60 decibels now. Okay, I will try to start the game. Okay, like this. Starting. So yeah, the game started, everything, and it's around 60 to 64. That's quiet, really quiet. So yeah, you can see it's done. So yeah, it's more really around 5 decibels is quieter than the Xbox 360. So yeah, good job on that, Nintendo. And yeah, I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!